If you've ever felt nervous or shy speaking English, this episode is your turning point. Because today, we're learning how to build real confidence when speaking English, step by step.
Hey, English learners! Welcome back to the English Leap podcast, your go-to space to improve your English the fun, natural, and smart way while becoming more confident in life. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ryan. Hey everyone, good to be here again. Emma, how's your week been? You sound full of energy today.
I am. It's been a great week. I've been helping some of my students prepare for job interviews in English. And honestly, Ryan, confidence is what they struggle with most.
Oh, totally. I've heard that 100 times. Students say, I know the words, I know the grammar, but when I open my mouth, I freeze!
Exactly. So that's why today's topic is so important. We're talking about how to build confidence when speaking English. And we've got real, practical strategies that actually work.
Yep. We'll walk you through everything step by step, share some personal stories, and by the end, you'll feel more comfortable speaking English. Anywhere, anytime.
And don't forget, we've prepared a free PDF guide for this episode. It includes comprehension questions, grammar practice, and vocabulary exercises. You can find the link right in the description below. So grab your notebook, your favorite drink, and let's jump right in. So what does it really mean to be confident when speaking English?
Good question. I'd say it means you can express yourself clearly without feeling afraid of mistakes, even if your English isn't perfect yet.
Exactly. Confidence isn't about speaking flawlessly, it's about speaking freely.
I like that. Speaking freely. You know, a lot of learners think confidence comes after fluency, but actually, it's the other way around. Confidence helps you become fluent faster.
That's so true. But many learners face some common barriers. Let's name a few.
Sure. Barrier number 1, fear of making mistakes. Everyone has it, right?
Oh yeah, I still remember when I was learning Spanish, I was terrified to speak. I thought people would laugh at my accent.
Totally normal. I had the same experience when I was learning French. I once said something wrong and accidentally asked a waiter for 10 dogs instead of 10 pieces of bread.
Oh no, that's hilarious. But see, you survived, right?
I did. And now it's just a funny story. So, mistake fear, that's barrier number one.
Barrier 2 is negative self-talk. You know, when you tell yourself things like, I can't do it, or my English is terrible.
Yeah, those thoughts kill confidence fast.
And number 3, comparing yourself to others.
Oh, that's a big one. You hear someone speaking fluently and think, I'll never sound like that. But you don't know how long they've practiced.
Exactly. We all have our own pace. Empathetic tone. So if you've ever felt any of this, fear, self-doubt, comparison, you're not alone.
We've all been there. But the good news is you can build confidence like a muscle. You just need the right exercises, and that's what we'll cover next.
Tip number 1, practice small every day.
All right. Tip number 1, practice small every day.
Right. You don't need 2 hours a day. Just 5 to 10 minutes of real speaking makes a difference.
For example, try talking to yourself in English while doing daily tasks, like making coffee or brushing your teeth.
Yeah. Say things like, now I'm adding sugar, or I'm leaving for work. It sounds silly, but it's powerful.
It helps your brain start thinking in English naturally.
And that's where confidence starts, when English feels normal, not something special or stressful.
Tip number 2, celebrate mistakes.
Okay, so tip number 2, and this one's huge. Celebrate mistakes.
I love this one because mistakes mean you're trying.
Exactly. Every time you make a mistake, your brain learns something new.
One of my students, Miguel, told me, Ryan, I finally started speaking English without fear when I decided to laugh at my mistakes.
That's beautiful. See, humor helps your brain relax. If you laugh, you remember faster and feel lighter.
So instead of thinking, oh no, I said it wrong, say, okay, that's funny. Now I know how to say it right.
Confidence grows when you stop being afraid of imperfection.
Tip number 3, focus on communication, not grammar.
Tip number 3. This one's for all grammar perfectionists out there.
Oh, yes. Focus on communication, not grammar.
When you speak, the goal isn't to be perfect. It's to be understood.
That's right. Imagine you're ordering food at a restaurant. The waiter doesn't care about your grammar. They just want to know what you want.
Exactly. So don't stop mid-sentence thinking, wait, was that past perfect or present perfect? Just speak.
You can always correct grammar after the conversation. But if you stop every few seconds, your confidence goes down.
Communication first, correction later.
I love that motto.
Tip number 4, use power phrases.
Now, tip number 4. Use power phrases.
Ooh, I love this one. Power phrases are short sentences that help you sound confident, even if you're unsure.
For example, I'm not sure, but I think. That's an interesting point. Could you please repeat that?
Yes, those are perfect. They keep the conversation going and make you sound calm and professional.
You don't have to know every word. You just need strategies to handle moments when you don't.
That's real confidence. Not knowing everything, but still communicating smoothly.
Tip number 5, surround yourself with English.
All right, last one. Surround yourself with English.
This is my favorite. When English becomes part of your environment, confidence grows automatically.
Totally. Change your phone language to English, watch shows with subtitles, listen to podcasts like ours.
Nice plug, Ryan. But yes, the more you hear English, the more natural it feels.
You know, one of our listeners, Sarah from our community, told me she improved just by listening to English podcasts every morning while cooking.
That's awesome. She built confidence through exposure. The more you hear it, the less afraid you are to speak it.
Exactly. So remember, small practice, celebrate mistakes, focus on communication, use power phrases, and live in English.
And to help you talk about confidence even better, let's bring in our vocabulary expert, Crystal.
Hey everyone, it's Crystal here, and I'm so happy to join you for today's vocabulary breakdown. We're learning some great words to help you talk about confidence when speaking English. Let's start. 1. Confident. Sure of yourself, believing in your abilities. Example, I feel confident when I practice speaking English every day. Repeat after me. Confident. One more time. Confident. Great job. 2. Nervous. Worried or afraid about something that's about to happen. Example, I get nervous before speaking English with native speakers. Repeat after me. Nervous. Again. Nervous. Perfect. 3. Encourage. To give someone support or hope. Example, my teacher always encourages me to keep trying. Repeat after me. Encourage. Awesome. 4. Practice. To do something many times to get better. Example, you build confidence when you practice speaking daily. Repeat after me. Practice. Great. 5. Improve. To make something better. Example, listening to podcasts helps you improve your English. Repeat after me. Improve. 6. Mistake. Something you do that is not correct. Example, don't worry about mistakes. They help you learn. Repeat after me. Mistake. 7. Fluent. Able to speak a language easily and smoothly. Example, I want to be fluent in English one day. Repeat after me. Fluent. One more time. Fluent. 8. Motivated. Feeling eager or inspired to do something. Example, I feel motivated when I see my progress. Repeat after me. Motivated. 9. Express. To show your thoughts or feelings with words. Example, speaking English helps you express yourself better. Repeat after me. Express. 10. Confidence. The belief that you can do something well. Example, confidence grows when you speak English every day. Repeat after me. Confidence. Wonderful job, everyone. You've just learned 10 powerful words that will help you talk about confidence in English. Keep practicing them in your daily conversations. Back to you, Emma and Ryan.
Thank you, Crystal. That was awesome. I love how those words connect to everything we talked about today.
Yeah, me too. Let's quickly review the key points before we wrap up.
Okay, tip 1, practice small every day.
Tip 2, celebrate your mistakes.
Tip 3, focus on communication, not grammar.
Tip 4, use power phrases to stay calm and sound confident.
And finally, tip 5, surround yourself with English as much as you can.
If you remember these 5 steps and practice them regularly, your confidence will grow faster than you imagine.
Absolutely. And remember, confidence isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Every word you speak brings you closer to fluency.
Here's our listener challenge for this week. Choose one of the power phrases we shared and use it in a real conversation, online, with a friend, or even in class.
That's a great challenge. And don't forget to grab our free PDF guide in the description. It has all today's tips, vocabulary, and practice exercises.
Also, let us know in the comments, what makes you feel more confident when speaking English?
And if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe, share it with a friend, and leave us a review. It really helps more learners find us.
Your progress doesn't end here. To keep improving your English confidence, click the next video we've selected for you. It'll help you keep the momentum going.